Hello, my name is Julis Paul Durango Rodriguez, and today I am going to present my travel blog section. The section I chose is where to go because I think it is very useful for tourists. I want to talk about El Peñol de Guatapé, one of the most famous tourist attractions in Colombia. This place is a giant rock and you can climb more than 700 feet to reach the top. When you get there, you can enjoy an incredible view of the lake and the mountain. You should visit this place because it is very home and beautiful. You can take amazing photos and enjoy nature. If you visit Guatapé, is to also explore the town. It is very colorful and full of the culture. In conclusion, El Peñol de Guatapé is a perfect destination for people to develop in adventure and nature. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.